Curcumin. The active component in turmeric, known as curcumin, has been extensively researched to determine its properties against inflammation. Inflammation is a sign of predisposition to colon-related issues, and curcumin is a potent remedy for it. Cumin supports digestive health. Cumin is traditionally used to treat a wide range of digestive problems. It may stimulate the production of pancreatic enzymes. These help digestion and absorption of nutrients. Mint was used over ages to alleviate digestive issues and ease symptoms of digestive issues. Menthol is a compound that aids in relaxing the muscles in digestion, which allows for a smoother and more efficient transit as well as less cramping. Ingredients: mint, turmeric, cumin. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications.